Guys, good afternoon guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa OL Overlooking kung saan kasama ko ang aking kaibigang Amerikano. Andito kami guys ngayon. Pupunta kami at manonood kami ng beautiful view. And the Laguna de Bay. Guys, ayan guys oh. Pupunta kami sa overlooking guys. Ito ang tinatawag na overlooking guys. Wow.
Yeah, very beautiful.
Beautiful views.
Papa kayo?
Dito kami. Sama ka, best friend.
Yeah.
Come on. Ayan guys.
Baba dyan.
Kaya mo bumaba dyan?
Oo.
Wow, galing mo Very.
Baba eh.
Ayan guys, nandito pababa kami guys. Ingat-ingat lang kami guys kasi madulas medyo very madulas kasi yung yung lupa medyo na. Ayan guys yan ang kaibigan kong Amerikano guys. Kauwi lang yan guys. Ayan guys Hop! Careful! Little girl! Careful! Friend, you...
Yeah, wow. Big steps here.
Yeah. Guys, tutuguin ng ilong ko nito kay English guys. Kasi alam mo naman tayo, nag-eskwela palis tayo eh. Kasi nung nag-aral, wow, beautiful.
This room, man, this is worth the walk.
Uy, ay mo yung
We have hello friends. Okay, so beautiful views. Look at that. Come on. Yeah. Meron dito swimming pool. Ayan yung swimming pool. Ayan yung solid cement. Ayan yung raincoat.